Hi guys, today, I'm going to explain to you, CRM, and NOTECHS, in basic terms. So, before talking about CRM, I should explain why we have this term. With the increasing number of flights and passengers, the number of accidents and incidents in aviation is also increasing. It has been determined that most of the accidents and incidents in aviation are caused by the problems experienced in non-technical skills, rather than the lack of technical knowledge. So, what is CRM? Crew Resource Management is defined as a management system which makes optimum use of all available resources to promote safety and enhance the efficiency of flight operations by the United Kingdom Civil Aviation Authority. The purpose of CRM, which was developed within the scope of the discipline of human factors, is to minimize the errors that may occur with other elements, and especially with other people. So, we can say that main components of CRM are communication, decision-making, leadership, situational awareness, and teamwork. To understand the CRM, we should talk about Shell model first. The Shell model is a model that emphasizes the interaction of humans, which is the most important component of aviation, with other components in aviation systems. This model examined the human interaction with every other component separately and showed their importance. Now, let's see the relationship between them, one by one. Liveware-hardware interaction. This component is related to the design of tools, equipments or machines used by the person in the work environment. It covers everything from seat designs that match the sitting characteristics of the person while working, to the indicators that he looks at, as well as the design of devices suitable for the person's movement. Liveware-software interaction. This interaction covers human interaction with non-physical systems. The software includes procedures, manuals, checklists, publications, and computer programs. Problems in this area are often more abstract, and more difficult to solve. It is necessary to understand the developing technology, and increasing automation in recent years, and to know the steps to be taken in case of problems. In this field, the interaction of human with both internal and external environment is discussed. The indoor workplace environment includes physical factors such as temperature, light, noise, vibration and air quality. The external environment includes elements such as weather conditions, aviation infrastructure, and obstacles. Psychological and physiological difficulties such as illness, fatigue, financial difficulties, concerns about relationships and career development are also subjects of this interaction. Liveware interaction. This interaction covers relationships between people in the business environment. Subjects such as leadership, teamwork, cooperation with teammates, and harmony gain importance. Within the scope of this field, there are also issues that affect human performance such as relations between management and employees, and working environment. So, we can easily say that, in order to reduce the mistakes made by people, it is necessary to have a healthy interaction with other people, to understand them well, and to establish a strong communication with them. Now, let's talk about our other important term. What is NOTECHS? In 2001, a system called NOTECHS was developed to assess the non-technical skills of pilots. Through this system, non-technical skills are evaluated during flight and simulator training. Misbehaviors and attitudes that may have negative consequences for safety are identified, and then these are tried to be eliminated. In other words, with NOTECHS, the effectiveness of CRM training is evaluated. NOTECHS framework consists of 4 main categories, and each of these categories are divided into subcomponents. The main categories are cooperation, leadership and management skills, situational awareness, and decision-making. Cooperation has 4 subtitles. These are team building and maintaining, consideration of others, support of others, and conflict solving. Also, leadership and management skills has 4 subheads. These ones: use of authority and assertiveness, providing and maintaining standards, planning and coordination, and workload management. If we look into situational awareness, we see awareness of aircraft systems, awareness of external environment, and awareness of time. The last one, decision-making, is divided into 4 categories too. These titles are problem definition and diagnosis, option generation, risk assessment and option selection, and outcome review. So, my presentation is ended. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for your attention.